Gold and silver displayed a strong bullish momentum so far for the day. We have seen gold moving towards close to record levels and have seen a little resistance at 3056 levels, while silver has also moved towards 3410. Can we expect this bull run to continue? How far it is going to stretch the rally, or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited as gold breached the first and strongest resistance zone at 3036.38. We have seen a stronger momentum here on the upside. Now what to expect? Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till the end and do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. This is a great support from you all. Join the free telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first gold followed with silver. If you look at the early charts of gold, what is happening here? It is consolidated here, and after consolidating for a while, it is given a break. Now if you notice, this is the peak here, and from peak it is now just shying away from the peak 3058 levels, so the highs here, it is now gone close towards it, almost forming a double top. Let's wait for the closure of the current candle, where it closes. That is going to be of prime importance. Else what's happening? See, after the retracement, this is reversing. This may probably create another record highs here. There is a strong possibility to it. As you can see, after forming this nice flag, it is delivering a breakout here, and this breakout, if it sustains, it may take it to record levels here. Stochastic overbought. The MACD after retracement looking upwards, trading bullish. The RSI is again back to overbought levels here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see, this was the drop zone from where we have seen the prices dropping, and this was the first drop. So it has breached both this, and in fact it has breached this zone as well, that is towards 3055-56, from where we have seen this drop coming. And now after converging, moving averages have started to diverge, and the price is trading from the with the divergence from the moving average, which is right now sitting at around 30 zone. That is again now going to remain the prime support zone for the day. If you see the stochastic, this is entering into overbought zone. MACD looking upwards, and this is trading with divergence. This is again showing signs of bullish momentum. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, what I am looking at is here is rise, retracement, then again the next round of rise, then moderate retracement. If you connect the lows and the highs, it appears that it is trying to move towards the next highs here, which can be in fact far above 3100 levels, but I can see there is a little resistance coming from this line here. Previous consolidation was also around this line, and now again it is trying to shy away from this. Now if you see it is staying beyond 60 levels, certainly you can say more momentum on the upside will be seen, and in fact it can move towards 3072, 7880, or in fact 3100 levels. Right now the momentum is very aggressively bullish here, but as far as I follow the rule, the faster it rises, the faster the drop has to be. Let's wait for this to happen. If it reverses and trades below 3040, that is the point of time. Now 3036, 38 rather, that is going to be the first support zone here on the downside, and any drop below this might take it towards 3026 zone, and then 3020, 3014 levels, only below which you can say that it is reversed. Right now the momentum is aggressively bullish. The stochastic rising, the MACD after retracing here now crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish. RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. The momentum right now is around this red line, which is coming from a long term trend here, and once it moves far beyond these levels, certainly you can say that the bullishness will increase. The more it stays outside this, certainly more bullishness will prevail. Notice what has happened here. After a bit of retracement, it is rising here, but when you connect it like this, you can find out 3058.60 is something you should watch out for, only above which you can expect slight further bullishness here. Stochastic back to overbought levels. The MACD after retracing now crossing over here, this is again another bullish sign here. RSI rising again. Coming to the daily, when you look at the daily chart, see, yesterday's candle was of consolidation. Today it is started on a flat note and continued trading bullish. It is hit the second highest levels what we had seen in the recent, all rather not recent past, but all time high levels. It is just shying away from breaking beyond this. There is a strong possibility that it can in fact break beyond 3058.60, and then once it breaks beyond, we can look forward to 3072, 3078.80, or in fact there is a possibility that we can see it moving towards 3088 and 3100 levels as well. Though not in favor of such a stronger rise Let's watch out how it behaves at around 30, 58, 60 if at all it starts to rise. Also notice here, connect this higher lows, connect this higher highs. It suggests that the peak could be at somewhere here at around this zone if it tries to rise from the current levels. Or another thing to note here is divide this into two. You can find out rise, retracement, rise and forming a double top. It could start with the retracement part where the lows could be at around 29.50, which is far below level as of now. Stochastic rising, the MACD which is started with the crossover today, it is now again looking upwards. It is again trying to trade bullish. Possibly this run might take it through further highs. Though if you notice the crossover here, then this was the bearish move, then retracement, and ideally this crossover should have taken it down, but right now it is not willing to stay bearish anymore. RSI right. So now only buying entries above 30, 56, 58 where you can expect it to move towards. See, actually 3060 till 3060 you have to be careful. You can buy here at 3056, expect 3060, but once it trades beyond 3060 you can expect another round of good bullish move taking it all the way towards 3071.72 or in fact 3078.80. Possibility is there that once it breaks out of this resistance zone, stronger momentum further can be seen here. Right now definitely a little struggle, I will say, till 3060 is not taken. We have to be careful till 3060. On the downside you can sell here at now 3048 levels, expect 3044, 3040, 3036, 3030 and then 3026. I will say till 3026 you have to be careful. 3026.24, once it breaks below 3026.24 you can expect the bearishness to prevail. Expect it to move towards 3018.20, 3014.16, and if 3014 is taken, that is the point of time you can confirm that the bears are back. Else do not treat this as bearish. It is right now looking upwards, trading bullish, very clear. As long as now $3,000 levels in the near term for the day, for the week, for the month are not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. If you are selling at 3048, be careful, trade with caution. Though a little downside move is possible, but do not treat this as bearish. At least for the day till towards 3014, 3016 zone is not taken. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. And before we proceed with silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the hourly charts, what you're seeing in silver, it is consolidated enough here. It has found the support at 3040, 3340, 3360 zone. And today, see, as in how it breached 3380 levels. Earlier in the day I have mentioned, once it breaks beyond 3380, you can expect a bullish move here. What it has done, it has moved towards 3410. And now once it stays above 3410, expect 3420.25. Breaking beyond 3420.25 is stay bullish. 3450, 3485, $35 levels are possible. But right now too early to conclude. Let's have a further look. Stochastic overbought, MACD after the crossover trading bullish looking upwards, RSI rising as well. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts, after the rise it is consolidated, taken the support from the 20 period, trying to deliver a breakout. Now notice, if you see the near term move here, you can find out this is how it has been trading. It is still in the box. 3420.25 is what it needs to break in order to confirm further bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD after retracement again crossing over with the buys here. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, notice a strong consolidation and then this breakout. But when you look at the highs are connected, the lows are connected, trying to form a nice flag. 3360 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm further downside move. As long as now 3360 is not taken, do not treat silver as bearish. The stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bullish looking upwards, the RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar is the observation, rise, consolidation, breakout, and once it stays beyond 3410, when you see the lower prices staying above 3410, stay bullish, and then 3420.25, once it breaks, we are looking forward to a greater round of rise here, and the highs here are well above 35. Let's watch out the direction it takes. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is also divergent, bullish looking upward, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily chart, see on the daily charts, first of all look at this candle, then a consolidation. Today it has started with higher lows, it has already hit higher highs, and from here it has to decide the direction it wants to take. Already seen taking support from 20 period, trying to bounce back from here. I will just wait for it to stay now above 3420.25, and then beyond this 3450, 3485, $35 levels should be seen here. Yes, this could invite another round of bulls here. Earlier in the day I have mentioned rise, retracement, and this is the third round of rise here which can take it well above 35. Let's watch out today's move. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buys, RSI rising. Looking at this, if you see silver trading above 34.10, when you see the lower price above 34.10, initiate the buying entry, expected to move towards 34.25, 34.50, 34.85, 35. And beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Though I do not expect such a stronger rise, but yes, it is possible that as and how it breaks beyond 34.20, 25 and 34.50, the bullish momentum will prevail here. On the downside, the selling entry is now at 33.80 levels when you see the higher price below 33.80, but then 33.60 the first support levels, and only if today silver trades below 33.60, treat this as bearish. Below 33.60 is where you can expect the bearishness to prevail. 33.40, 33, and below 33 it should deliver a massive reversal drop. Appears difficult as of now. The momentum is very bullish. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you.